Hi, welcome to this video from Jesmonite Education. During this video we will look at the different techniques which can be used to finish your Jesmonite AC730 creations. Sanding. Jesmonite AC730 can be left as it comes out of the mold due to its fine surface finish. However, you may wish to sand it, especially the bottom of the mold where the pouring process may produce some uneven surfaces. Hand sanding or machine sanding can be used depending on the size of piece or the number of them. Wet sanding will produce the best results. Sealing. There are two main Jesmonite sealers which are compatible with AC730. The FlexiGuard sealer is for a protective layer invisible to the human eye, leaving a smooth, anti-stain, non-discoloring surface layer which doesn't alter the appearance of the surface on which it is applied. The other sealer from Jesmonite is the penetrating sealer, which provides invisible protection against water and oil by impregnating the surface and provides stain resistance against many liquids and environmental contaminant. Both can be brushed on or sprayed and can be used neat or diluted. Acid etching. Please note, Jesmonite would recommend wearing PPE when working with acid. Acid etching of AC730 takes the surface layer off and reveals the stone finish. This is key to revealing the aggregates in the different stone finishes. Allow any piece to cure for a minimum of 24 hours before acid etching. Place the piece into the acid etch. If you do not have a container big enough, then you can brush it over the surface. Allow to sit on the surface for 1 minute. Then transfer to a container of water or under running water and vigorously brush off. The water will need to run clear to avoid leaving a cloudy, chalky residue on the surface. If using a container of water, it will need refreshing regularly. Repeat this process at least twice before allowing to dry. The more times you repeat this, the better the finish. Not acid etching can result in a less resistant surface which can be prone to marks. Things to remember for this video are: sand by hand or machine to remove excess material and reveal the detail. Sealers, FlexiGuard sealer and penetrating sealer, spray or brush on, dilute or neat. Remember that several coats is better than one thick one. Use acid etch to reveal the stone finishes of AC730, after a minimum of 24 hours curing. Leave in the acid etch for 1 minute, before scrubbing off with clean water.